Hello again, grade 3. Again, we have family, friends. Unit 10, lesson 1 and 2 and 3. So, as we talked about, last lessons we talked about, comparative adjectives, superlative adjectives, and some phonics. Today we have another thing, which is some kinds of vocabularies. Path. This road that you are going to school, it's called path. Or also when you are going to bazaar or markets, we have path. Okay, and also we have grass. Grass, when you go to the picnic, you see what? Grass. And flowers. It smells nice. Okay, big. Okay, every time when my students in the class, they said that, Ms. Nergis, can I throw into the bin? Into the bin? Do you remember this vocabulary, bin? So this one is trees. And this one is playground. In every parks we have what? Playgrounds. Like, climbing frame, slide, swing, seesaw. And also in every parks we have fountain. It looks nice. And also we have litter. For example, you are drinking a cup of water, okay? Or, like a chocolate, but you throw into the bin the wrap of the, in the chocolate, or the cup of the water into the earth, it becomes what? Litter, okay? Litter. So, and after that we have readings. Amy, this is a beautiful park. Look. Again, they are together. See, okay, skateboarding, every time, Leo likes skateboarding, and also Max likes, reading every time, he has a book and he loves it, okay, and Holly loves stuffing, flowers, cakes, chocolate. So, Amy, this is a beautiful park. And Max, yes, it is. I love it here. Holly, oh, look at the flowers, see? She's cute. Leo, Holly, you mustn't pick the flowers. Leo, Holly, you mustn't pick the flowers. Means, pick, not only smelled, okay? Oh, okay. Holly, oh, look at the little trees, okay? Max, you mustn't walk on the grass. See, it's grass, but in here we have what? Path, flowers, trees, grass, okay? On the grass here. Holly, you must walk on the path, on the road. Oh, okay, see. Okay, Amy, Holly, let's play with this ball. Okay? Max, no, you mustn't play here. Amy, well, let's go to the playground. We can play there. Okay, catch the ball, Max. See? Okay, Holly, oh, Max, you mustn't play in the fountain. Haha, very funny. See? But Leo told Holly, don't pick the flowers, but she did it. And also, Leo, told and said, Holly, please don't go onto the grass, but she did it. She it's not in that path. So, and in our grammar, lesson 2, we have must and mustn't. For example, if you do these things, it's a good thing. But for example, if I tell you, you must study hard, but if you didn't, something terrible will happen, okay? So you have to do it. When I said you mustn't, okay? We must, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. You must do our homeworks. But if you don't do your homeworks, Miss Nergis or Miss Hawa or Miss Khoshi will, kick you out or tell the notebooks, communication books that you didn't do your homeworks. Okay? So, or lose your marks also. So you must do your homework. Otherwise, maybe you fall in this lesson. Then you mustn't talk in the class. If you talk, the teachers know that you are talking, and something bad will happen. You must turn off your mobile phone. For example, you must turn off. When you sleep, you must turn off, okay? Or when you sleep, you must turn off or switch off the lights. Turn off the TV. But you mustn't walk on the grass because we have path, okay? So, mustn't. This is, a short form of mustn't in a long form. Sometimes you means everyone, okay? For example, when I say you, if I say directly, you are beautiful, means you. Oh, you have a great class, means all of you, okay? Means everyone. Max, you must look in front of you. See, Max, because, he is reading, he doesn't know, there's a tree, okay? Yes, Max, you mustn't walk and read your books. Yes, because when we are, going and walking, we mustn't read or we mustn't do anything, okay? So see, just look at our, rules that we have it, okay? So you must be silent, and you must raise your hands, and you must, all the letters into the bin, or be clean. You must be attention. See, in here we have must. You have to do it. It's rule. Like, what is this? You mustn't walk on your, for example, you can see these signs in the park or in the, roads, okay? Or when you go to the supermarket, we have, this sign. What does it mean? You mustn't walk your dog here. You mustn't put letters in the bin, or you mustn't take photos. So we have what? Take photo. You mustn't take photo here. So we have number 3. Okay? And B, we have what? You must put letter in the bin. You must. Okay? So we have number 2. C, shh. You must be quiet. Shh. You must be quiet. So number 4. And number 1 is you mustn't walk your dogs. So it means if we have a line in here, it means you mustn't. But if you don't have any, lines, only a square or red, means you must do it. Okay? And also, but when we are going to a supermarket or stuff things, also we have a cigarette. It looks like, and also a line. So it means what? You mustn't smoke here. Okay? And in here we have what? Okay? Number 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to put these numbers in here. Okay, you mustn't eat here. You mustn't eat here. So it means this is what? Number 1. Number 2. Okay, you dash wash your hands. You must wash your hands because you don't have any lines. So you have to put what? Must. You dash turn off your mobile phone here. You mustn't turn off your, so you must turn off your mobile phone here, okay? And also, in here we have what? So you mustn't swim here. You mustn't swim here. Okay? Okay, again we have, those that we did it. Turn off your mobile phone. This one, you must turn off your mobile phone. You must, put letters in the bin. This one, and you mustn't walk on the grass. You must wash your hands. You must be quiet, and also you mustn't walk your dogs on the grass or in here. So these are things that we did it. And here we have sing a song. You must come to the park, so we can have some fun. We must come to the park today and play games in the sun. So this is a song. So you can memorize it or not and send it to me. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Okay, you must listen to your video. Okay. Have a nice time. Bye bye.